Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest to invest. Today we're going to be talking all about Nio Stock. We're going to be going over some price action, some price predictions, news, updates, all that good stuff. And we're also going to be pitting Nio Stock against Tesla stock, like two overachieving competitive siblings. Because that's just like what we like to do on this channel. You know, we're a little bit toxic like that. So yeah, I know a lot of people are worried about Nio Stock because, let's face it, it is down 40% just in 2022. But of course, you gotta factor in everything else that is going on in the world and all across all of the stocks, the stock market, cryptocurrency even. NFTs are they're in a world of their own. I don't know what they're doing a lot of the time. But I, myself, personally, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm still very bullish on Nio Stock, especially, and you know, I'm like a broken record at this stage, the swappable battery as a service, BaaS. I mean, China is really pushing for swappable batteries in electric vehicles in conjunction with regular charging. So I know that Nio has a big edge against the competition. So let's hop on into the computer and take a look and see what's going on. So Nio has beaten Tesla in robo-taxis again. Nio ES8 model with NAD, which is Nio Autonomous Driving Capabilities, was spotted in Uppsala in Sweden. Shout out to Uppsalians. The country is actually part of Nio's 2022 expansion plan, with the first deliveries expected to arrive by the end of this year. In September 2021, the company entered Norway, being its first European market, and is currently selling only Nio ES8 model there. Although Nio ET7 will be available there in the fourth quarter of this year, and Nio ET5 then in the following spring of 2023. You know, I mean, Nio has developed the two best EVs and a new SUV in 2021. Also built the largest EV plant in the world, expanded to Europe, partnered with Shell, started its own battery company, that's Wellion. They built the car that Tesla and Lucid could never build. The ET7 outperforms in both drive quality and AI compute. The Nio Atom supercomputer is one of the most powerful platforms to run in a vehicle, achieving more than 1,000 trillion operations per second of performance. That's a little scary, like that's scarily good. At its core is Drive Orin, which is the world's most advanced autonomous vehicle processor. It delivers up to 254 TOPS, which is the acronym for trillion operations per second. So yeah, it delivers up to 254 TOPS to simultaneously run a high number of deep neural networks and applications while achieving systematic safety standards. So Atom meets the diversity and redundancies necessary for safe autonomous operation. So now we need to talk about some negative price action. Nio did slump 8.4% in pre-market action after it suspended production due to basically COVID-19 related supply chain distributions. It's still a factor that is affecting it. But, you know, clearly worker safety is an absolute priority. However, the fact the announcement added that all affected sites have yet to recover, it doesn't bode well. Deliveries to customers will now be delayed. And as things stand, it's not clear for how long it will be delayed. Nio is not alone in needing to suspend production. Volkswagen temporarily shut down their shop in Changchun in the middle of last month. Tesla then followed suit towards the end of March by closing its Shanghai facility. You know, and that didn't really affect, didn't cause a crash with Tesla or Volkswagen. So, we can be optimistic that it won't do the same for Nio, other than in pre-market, people kind of freak out a little bit. And even more encouragingly, Nio's delivery rate has been improving. Despite the headwinds that I just mentioned, the firm succeeded in delivering just under 10,000 vehicles in March. So that's a 63% rise from the previous month. It also brings the number of cars delivered in Q1 to almost 26,000.
That is a near 30% increase on the same period in 2021. So that's a pretty good indicator of increasing demand for EVs, and it's also a record for the company. So one would argue that it actually could be a very good time to load up on Nio. You know, everything that's happening right now is very much short-term issues. The pandemic will pass at some point, allowing production to get back on track. Things will be in full swing again. You know, it's not like Nio have just been sitting around. Its new SUV, the ES7, will be showcased very soon. And, you know, considering just how competitive this space already is, that's a pretty good thing. It's also interesting to note that Nio has so far elected not to raise the prices of cars, unlike their rivals. You know, I would say that this stock will be over $150 a share in 16 months, and they will be turning profits. But that's me. I'm a Nio bull. Nio is predicted to be consistently profitable in 2024 to 2025 timeframe.
So that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to be kept up to date with not just Nio Stock, but all the stocks that you need to be kept up to date on. So until next time, have a great day, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.